Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your pick a card reading. What is the angel's message for you right now? Or whenever you watch this reading, friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Friends, please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Many angel blessings to you for subscribing our channel and liking and sharing. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Also friends, these are timeless readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, friends. Also, these are general readings and timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way or the other. I will also be taking some messages from the romance angels messages for you, since this is the what is the angel's message for you. So relax and take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, choose pile 1, this beautiful blue lapis lazuli. This is beautiful, look at this. Pile 2, this beautiful rose quartz. Pile 3, this beautiful carnelian. Relax, take a deep breath. Choose pile 1, 2, 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. If not, you can watch the entire video. So let's begin with pile number 1. Let's see what is the angel's message for you. Let's see that. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful lapis lazuli. Let's see. Oh my god, sorry friends. Your cards are 3 of Cups, wonderful, the Emperor in reverse, the 9 of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Devil. And your other cards are Wait, and Stay Optimistic. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm gonna keep it here and here. I feel, friends, angels are I feel, friends, that some of you are feeling like things are not going the way you want them to go. Your wishes are not coming true. You had been trying to manifest, or something was very dear to you, but that thing didn't go as you were planning for it. Something is not going as per your wishes right now, and you feel like this is a disappointment. Something this is making you feel sad. I feel it could, for some of you, it could be a career thing. For some of you, it could be a career thing, like you want a career change but it is not happening, or you want a relationship, or like you want something but it is not happening or coming towards you right now. You feel disappointed about it, you feel sad. I feel some of you are also missing your friends or family or something like that. I also feel you are feeling like disempowered. You are not feeling like this Emperor or this Empress in control, in charge of your destiny right now, and that is affecting you right now, friends. This is making you feel anxious. This is making you feel like things are not going as you want them to go or want them to happen, because this is coming in reversed. You feel like you have no control over a situation, be it your work or be it your career. I feel it is bothering you, and what the angels want to tell you, I also feel oh god, you could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, friends, or you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I definitely feel that either you are a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or there is someone else who is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or maybe an Aries person is also important. I also feel there is a argument going on with a friend or a group of friends, or maybe with a sister or a brother. You are not feeling like things are going right or things are going well. I feel others of you are also worried about a financial opportunity, like there is no career happening or there is no success in your career, something like that is happening. The opportunity, like you feel like because of the quarantine lockdowns, you feel like your career opportunity is not coming to you, money is not coming to you like it used to. What am I supposed to do? But I feel the angels are trying to tell you that a new you are in the right on the right path. Things are going to work out for you. You are going to find a lot of support ahead in your love life and in your work and education. Also celebrations are coming your way, especially if you are a student and worried about your exams or some interviews or something. You are going to get good news, friends. Good news is coming your way, and success will be yours. I also feel that a new start is coming your way, and it might be unexpected or out of the blue, or you might have lost hope on this new start coming towards you. I feel like you have tried to manifest it a lot many times, or many times you are trying to manifest this, your money, your coin, your relationship, your life partner, but it's not happening. You are also stuck about something, or someone is stuck on you and they are not. Maybe it is a toxic relationship. I do not feel like it is a toxic relationship. Okay, first let me cover this. I feel a new start is coming towards you. Angels are trying to tell you it is guaranteed for you, this new start. Be it in love, career, or money, or education, it will be yours. Happy news will be coming your way, and it will be, you will gain your control on life, on situations. I feel there is a situation that you feel is like out of your control, or you have no control over this person. This person might be obsessed to you. You might feel this friendship, this lover, ex-lover is toxic to you in some way. You feel very chained. You can't forget them. You keep thinking about this person. Something is going on. Maybe this person is causing you a lot of trouble, or they come in and out of your life. They have put you in a third party, but you still feel chained to this person in some way. I feel there will be a new start coming towards you, either from away from this person or with this person also. But I feel, friends, angels are trying to tell you there is a bit of wait involved. I know you all gonna say, oh no, we are waiting forever, no more waiting. I know, friends, waiting is never fun. But what to do? Angels are telling you that you won't have to wait long. I don't know what's wrong with the lighting today. Sometimes it's funny, my camera, it has its own sense of lighting. So yeah. So don't rush into action right now. Bid your time for better results. So I think what you need to do is just wait and look for this opportunity, and like stay excited, because it is coming your way, friends. The things you need are already on your way, and look how happy and excited this fairy is looking. So yes, things are coming your way, and definitely stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. So I feel there is going to be a miracle happening for you very soon, and especially in some area where you feel you have lost hope. You have lost hope in this area. You feel like things won't change, but it will change, and it will change for good, and some sort of a miracle will happen for you, friends. And let's see this card also, awaiting results. So yes, number 7 is about spirituality, it is about luck, it is about manifestations, it is about money coming towards you, your efforts being valued. And 7 is about Neptune is about deep emotions, deep love. I think something you had been working on is going to bring you good results. It could be a relationship, a marriage, or it could be about a career situation, like, or a education related thing. But I feel your hard work is going to pay off, and you have this lapis lazuli, so it also reminds me of like things going your way, friends. Things uh, some sort of a divine epiphany will happen for you, a miracle, and also divine signs are coming. I feel you are going to get a lot of number 777, 111, before things start to move before this new start comes toward you. So yeah, let's see any other message from the angels for you for pile number 1. Oh wow, I love how the way these cards just fly out. Okay, wow, so these two also want to come. Let's see. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. You definitely are not feeling very happy about some situation. You feel you have lost something, maybe a relationship, friendship, or a marriage, is not going properly, or something is, or maybe you are worried about career, money losses, or something, friends. Um Let us see. Women, dealings or relationship with a woman, I definitely feel if you there could be some issues with a mother, like you are not getting along with your mother, your sister, or a very close friend. If you are a man, it could be your lover, but that you cannot let go of, but you still can't be with them, right? Stuff, you will be taken care of in difficult times. So definitely, friends, a miracle will happen for you. You don't have to worry about it. It's already coming towards you, I feel. And difficult times will be over. Affairs with your family, tree, I feel something will blossom in your life, like this tree. You know, these trees, you are going to have your own tree, or a lot of support and supporting people and family around you. Maybe you are single and worried when you will get married. It is going to happen very soon. Will great worry over nothing. Oh my god, friends, you are worrying over nothing. See, great worry over nothing. You don't have to worry, you know. Your miracle is, stay optimistic, things are going to happen for you. And Lion, the time to act. This is the time to take action. This is the time to stay positive, friends. Absolutely, this is the time you need to stay positive. And what is this? Leg, stepping into a new experience. It's time to try new things, and this Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings are coming for you, friends. Absolutely out of the blue, not unsuccessful plans. I feel you have to let go of something or some past issue, and that will, maybe you are obsessed about this issue or this person, but I think letting go of it for right now and just relaxing and enjoying life is going to bring you something beautiful. Let's see your Archangel Michael's message, angels. Message from Archangel Michael. Pile number 1. Okay. Explore your options. Yes, friends, it's time for you to explore your options, fly with the wind, and try new things. So absolutely, dear God, thank you for your wisdom and love, helping me see, understand, and assess all of my alternative options. Please guide me in the best direction for my health, happiness, and life's purpose. Angels are saying that if you feel you have no options right now, you are going to get new options or opportunities in life. And if you feel like some situation is stuck and not moving ahead, this is hopeless, you are going to get surprised ahead. I definitely feel that. And yeah, make a commitment. See, make a commitment towards your goal. Stay positive, stay upbeat, and you are going to achieve it. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel. It means a lot to me when you subscribe and share and comment. I try to respond and reply back to every comment. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Beautiful angels, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful rose quartz, let us see what is the message from the angels for you, what is happening in your life ahead right now, and what the angels guidance is for you. We are going to also get Archangel Michael's messages. Let's see your cards. Oh my god, luck is coming. The Wheel of Fortune, the 7 of Pentacles, wonderful. 8 of Swords, interesting. The Death, transformations, changes. Whew. Four of Pentacles. You are resisting change. Two of Wands in reverse. Absolutely resisting change. Friendships. Lovely. Let's see what else. Set your sights higher. Set your sights higher. So I feel, friends, those who chose pile number 2, I feel like you are feeling stuck right now in a relation, in some situation in your life. You are feeling like there is no way out. You may be feeling like, I'm sure this is a timeless reading, friends, but when I'm recording it, we are in quarantine everywhere in the world. I feel you might also be more or less in a quarantine situation. So maybe you are feeling very restricted, bored, unhappy because of that situation, or because of some circumstances in your life. You are not feeling like you have all the answers or all the opportunities right now. You are feeling stuck or unable to move ahead in some way. I also feel like there is some sort of a change or transformation that is coming in your life. Some of you are not ready for this change, or some of you are already trying to manifest this beautiful change or transformation in your life. Like some of you are going to change the way you look, the way you dress, or the way you think, or the way you feel. I know it is a very big change, and it may not be easy for you. For some of you, you are desiring to change this thing. For others, 90% of you, it is like a surprise that is coming towards you. Maybe, you will find a change in your relationships or the friendships. Maybe the people you were friends with no longer make sense to you, or you can't connect with them. There is this energy of not able to, there is some energy of change happening for you. I also feel this is like related to your career also. Something may be ending, or some change or shift is happening, and you may not be ready for it. This change, this shift. Maybe it is also, I feel, about health also. I feel this whole situation that you are in right now, or the world is right now, it is making you feel very tensed and stressed, and you are like, you need to change your house, your locality, or you suddenly have a wake-up call. You suddenly have some realization that, oh my God, I need to do this. But you feel scared. It is a scary change for you in some way. You are ready, but you aren't ready for it. And you feel like, oh my God, if I have to move abroad, what will happen? You may suddenly realize that you want to shift or relocate ahead in the future, and it may feel like a big change for you. Or some of you may want to end a relationship or a marriage, and it may seem like a big change for you. I also feel like there is this energy that you want to stay comfortable, you want to stay where you are. Some of you want to go for a new job or a career change. I also feel I will come to the love part also, but first I'm feeling like some of you want to go for higher education, foreign cities, foreign countries, research degrees, doctoral degrees. I don't know what it is. Maybe you want to work in Tehran. I don't know why I got that. Maybe you are looking for work there, Dubai, Tehran, and Canada, or someone from there is important to you. But I also feel like, something is changing for you, and you may not be ready for it, or you feel slightly unhappy. There is like a part of you has grown up, but it is not yet grown up. It is like you are ready to move ahead, but not yet ready. So you are like this and this, you are in this energy of, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I. So that is there. But I feel, friends, angels are trying to tell you, you are in for good luck, good messages, and a new positive cycle is going to happen for you. What you wish for is going to happen. And not just that, these restrictions, these fears, fear of change is only in your mind. You are very well protected on your path. You have nothing to fear. I feel some of you want to do something very risky or adventurous adventurous. You may have never done this before, like live alone. Maybe you want to live alone away from your parents or family, like on your own. Maybe you want to have your first job. It is scary for you. I also feel for love, some of you are either leaving a marriage or like you want a change. If you are single, you are looking for this marriage, this entire new concept of moving in together or living with someone. But I feel that person may be at a distance from you, or I feel there is some change happening in a situation or a relationship, and someone is not ready to accept that change. It could be you or the other person involved. I feel, but this change or this transformation, I feel someone, if you are in a relationship, someone is behaving immaturely, they are not trying to share their emotions, and they are going through some tough times or challenges. But I feel a positive start or a positive movement will, or positive changes will come in this relationship. Some sort of a rebirth will happen for you and this person and this connection. Luck is with you, absolutely, especially in your career, money, and what you say, career, money, travel, relocation, house, all those things. You are going to be very lucky, and your hard work is going to be extremely successful. You have worked hard, you have achieved, you have worked hard, you have achieved a lot of things and experience, and you are going to get what you desire. I feel like you are not setting big dreams because you are scared, or you feel like they are out of your reach. You may feel you are single, you may never find the person you feel drawn to. Maybe you like a celebrity and you feel they are out of your reach. But friends, darlings, you never know. Set your sights higher, increase your standards, and expect more from yourself. Don't settle, wish upon a star, and trust me, sometimes you can get them. So yes, and friendships, I feel you are also feeling lonely right now. Some of you, like you cannot, it feels like you are disconnected from everyone, or you are awakening spiritually, or you are changing your likes and dislikes. So your friendships are also kind of not as what you want them to be, or your choices and preferences about friends are changing. I feel friendship, make a date for a play date, make a date for a play day with one or more friends. So definitely I feel you are going to find new friendships, new soulmates, new soul friends, and someone who was not sharing their feeling, they are going to come towards you with an offer of friendship. Opportunity beckons, number 4. So yes, friends, the opportunity you need is coming towards you. Don't turn your back, and because I feel you may be stuck in fears, and you may turn your back on the opportunities that are coming. So stay open, do not be scared. You are protected. Solar plexus, solar chakra, the solar plexus, number 3 again, 3 and 4. So definitely, friends, you are moving from 3 to 4. Progression is there, and it is destined for you. Solar plexus is about power, changes, ego, and what you say, positive ego, positive outlook in life, you growing in your power, in your success. Let's see what other messages are there. And since you choose rose quartz, I feel you should go after what your heart desires, whether it is in love, career, or in education. Whatever your heart desires, go for it, friends. Any other messages for pile number 2? Okay. I will take the ones that flew out there and the one that jumped out. Any other messages? So pile 1. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I said 1. Maybe you should see 1 because it might be important to you. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. So yes, you are going to get your success. It is coming towards you. Leg, stepping into a new experience. I definitely feel some of you want to start a new work, a new business, a new career. It may feel scary, it may feel risky. You want to shift to a new city, country, or maybe buy a house or something. It all seems very scary, but I think you are very safe and protected because you also have the Wheel of Fortune, you also have the Unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. So you are definitely protected, whichever path or you choose. Lobster, financial pinch. I feel like you may be going through some financial losses right now, or just as finances are slow right now for most people. most of us, like, things are moving slowly, so you may be worried about whether you're financially you will be successful, whether you will be, if you change your house or move out, will you have enough money? Career change, definitely. I feel some of you want to become artists or musicians, actors, filmmakers, or something of very unique, writers, authors, poets, and maybe starting your own work, and you are scared. Temporary situation, tense. So whatever you are going through right now is temporary, friends. This transformation, this death energy, it is all just for a little while. So be strong, don't give up. Affairs with your family, so definitely some of you want marriage or children and kids, and it is not happening for you right now, so you are frustrated. Angels say June is an important month for you, for love, for relationships, for marriage, for everything. June will be important. Maybe you are born in June, or June is, the coming June is important. Let's see Archangel Michael's message for you. Okay. Focus upon divine health and perfect. Focus upon divine and perfect health. So definitely I feel this is not just about health. This is about focusing on what you truly desire. Angels are saying that, keep your focus. What is it that you want? You can have it. You can achieve it. Nothing is too big for you right now. The Wheel of Fortune is here. You are lucky. You can have it. Whatever you desire, set your sights higher. Any other message for pile number 2? Any other message? Okay. One card dropped out. Let me pick that up. Okay, so shield yourself. I feel you are feeling very sensitive also because of the many changes in the world, or you are more scared, or feeling like you are you don't know how to do these changes, or how to start a new career, or this new love, or something like that. I feel, friends, you are very protected. You don't have anything to worry about. You are safe, you are protected, and you can call upon God and the universe to protect you along your journey and these changes, and just focus on the good, and it's going to expand more into your life. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends, Magic Vans Tarot, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. Beautiful angels, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful carnelian crystal, let us see what is the angel's message for you right now, and what is the angels want to tell you about your love, career, all the areas of your life, friends. Let's see. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Ace of Cups, beautiful. The Empress, the King of Swords, amazing. The 10 of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. Beautiful, friends, beautiful. Let's see these cards also. Dream big, ready, set, go. I don't know, something is wrong with the lighting. Sometimes my camera does that. I have no idea why it happens, but it happens. Maybe it is the camera's wish. Maybe. I love you, the camera, I mean. And the divine, as they wish, as they will it, we accept it. Rest and reconsider and rebuild. Number 16 and 9. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So let's see. I feel some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, friends. You could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be these sun signs or any other sun sign. But if you are these signs, it is an important message for you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I definitely feel, friends, currently you are feeling like, things are slow, things are stuck. You feel like, defensive, protective about yourself and your views, your ideas. You also feel like very non-trusting about someone's or some situation in your life. It is like, If you are single, you are confused whether to trust a person or not, or whether you can accept love or not. Maybe you are not ready for love. All those things are going in your mind. I feel like, there is love coming for you, a lot of love coming for you. In fact, new proposal, new this ace of cups of love is coming for you, friends. Sweet romance, sweet connections, soulmate connection, twin flame connections are coming for you. And I think some of you, you may already be have received this offer of love. Some of you have already received an offer of marriage. Absolutely, someone has proposed you or will be proposing you in very, very soon. You also choose this red carnelian. Red is about, passion. Red is about magnetic love, passion, chemistry, sexual intimacy, all those things. And it is about the yang energy, the fire. I feel, friends, if you are really single, you may be doubting whether you will find this love, this marriage, or whether or not to trust it, whether you want to get married or not. I feel someone is coming, an angel say a new love offer is coming your way. It is going to surprise you and it is going to excite you also. It will be a wonderful connection. This person could be younger than you, or they are older than you. I mean, like, there is some age gap between you both, and this person may be quite flamboyant, and they are quite beautiful, flirty, charming, passionate. So you might not trust this person very easily. uh, Even if you already know this person, you might doubt their intentions or question their intentions. I feel uh, some of you, for others, I feel your creativity is really shooting very, very high, and you are being called to, try new things, follow your artistic nature. In your career, you need to give birth to your ideas, inspirations. I feel you are getting some communication or some divine insight or idea right now regarding your career, life path, life goal, and you need to follow it. If you haven't received it yet, you will be. A divine inspiration is coming your way, and you need to follow it, friends, and it will bring you the success of an empress or an emperor. It will make you not just your career, not just emotionally successful, but materially also very abundant. I feel some of you could be, if some of you are in business, it could be like you are, or even if you are not in business, you could leave a family legacy or heritage behind you. That is what is the idea that will come to you now. So angels are saying stay open. For others, I feel like if you are single, or if you are married also, I feel you may be looking like, if you are married, let's go to that, then we are going to go for the singles. If you are married, friends, and you are looking like your marriage is not having some passion, lacking some attention, emotional connection, angels say emotions will going to fall, increase, fall over the cup. Someone is going to propose you, more love is expected, childbirth is expected in your marriage, and definitely very soon you could be getting married. Some of you could be getting married if you are single. For if you are already married, you could be getting pregnant, or expecting a second child or something. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius child could be coming in your life. I feel definitely family is very important to you, and you may be wondering when you will have your family. If you are single, when is that person going to come towards you? I feel it is going to happen. You are the emperor, you are the empress, you are in charge of your destiny. Don't worry if things are slow right now. Rest in reconsideration. I think angels, if something is slow, I mean, things may be slow right now in your life, friends, and you may not be feeling very enthusiastic. You may say, oh magic, oh mystic, you are just saying these things, my life is so dull right now. How can I have a new love offer? How can I be getting married? All those things you just say. No, life is like this right now. Rest and reconsider. I think angels are trying to really give you a pause in your life right now, whether it is in your career, money, or love, or marriage. They are making you stop and rest a bit, because life is about to get very busy and exciting for you very, very soon. This is 9, so something is completing in your life, and you have become this emperor or the empress. And after that, very soon, maybe in 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, 3 weeks, something is going to shift for you, and new things are going to come. I definitely feel if you are away from your family, you will be meeting them very soon, and some sort of a proposal, new love offer, or new happiness is coming your way. Dream big, don't settle, friends, don't settle. I feel you are doubting that these things will happen. Even while I'm saying this, I feel like, although you are I'm recording this earlier and you will see it later on, but I know you are already doubting it because of my intuition. So please do not doubt. Let go of small thoughts about yourself. See yourself succeeding. If you write, some people write those comments, oh, this won't happen to me. If you believe this won't happen to you, it won't happen to you, darling. You have to keep some faith. If you write, I believe it will happen for me, I claim it, it is going to happen for you, trust me. So dream big, friends, dream big, and you are ready for some great success. Now is the perfect moment to go in and embrace your heart's desire. So absolutely, something wonderful is going to happen. Some new start, some career growth, some money coming in, some family expansion is going to happen. If you are single, you may meet your life partner, husband, wife, and rebuilding is going to happen. You are a master. You are becoming a master in life, in manifesting. If you are manifesting, your wishes are going to come true. I also feel some of you have a heartache, some sort of a block. It is going to heal, friends. It is already healing. Angels are saying you have nothing to worry about. Your life is about to be shuffled up, and it is going to get better. It is going to get amazing. You are going to become this empress, and relax and enjoy the slow pace right now. Nothing to worry about. Let's see your other messages for pile number 3, angels. What messages would you give to pile number 3? Okay, no, that's a lot of cards. Angels, one card please at a time. One card. Okay, this also wants to come. I think some of you are waiting for like 5-10 years for these things to happen, and it hasn't happened yet. I mean, like, your wait is very, very long, pile number 3. I feel like you have been in this process of building an empire, building yourself or your career or your marriage or your family. You are trying to be very, very strong since like 5 years, 3 years, 7, 9 years also, some of you. So tower, solid foundation, success with effort. So you are going to get this tower, and you see this card also has a tower in it. She is rebuilding a tower. So definitely, it is like you have already built this tower, and angels are going to light it up, for you with love, with success, with whatever you need. Absolutely, success is coming your way, friends. Congratulations. I am so proud of you and so happy for you. Tortoise, slowly but surely you are getting ahead. So you may feel confused. See, this is a confirmation. Things are moving slowly right now, and you feel like this is not how it will turn up like this. You won't ever reach there by the pace you are going. I feel angels say tortoise live a very, very long life, and they have a very slow and steady wins the race. So don't get fooled by the slow pace. It is all divine. It is all divine things. Sometimes it happens. God keeps you waiting and waiting, like this quarantine, like in 2019. Nobody thought it is going to happen, except some psychics, and leave aside the psychics, intuitives. They might have thought of it, or they might have got some idea of it. But I feel like, but still we were not expecting it would go to this drastically. It would go to this. 2020 would be so drastically, different. And it what how it happened in just one day probably. The year started and everything just shifted. So you know, you may be waiting for your entire life, and one day can come and your entire life can be different and more beautiful. Secret admirer, so definitely someone has not shared their feelings of love, and a new lover or a secret admirer or a crush is going to express their love, or you may express your love to your crush, doing something risky, taking a chance. I feel you will be, something risky will happen, or some sort of a risk will, you should be bold, friends. Ready, study, go. Here is also this card. Go after your dreams, you know, even if they seem risky to you. Towards spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Some of you could be trying to start your own YouTube channels, or your spiritual work, or some sort of like, maybe you are chefs or into pastry making, food chef, food bloggers or something, and you want to do, or artists, musicians, or creative people, you want to do that, start your own thing, and it seems challenging at first, but you will be successful. Keep your life in balance, the scales. I feel just some sort of a reward is coming with this. Definitely, you know, something is going to be balanced, like you were working hard and waiting till now, and now boom, your reward comes and you're like, whoa, where this happened. Great passion, great passion. Here is the red Caladian. See, beautiful, amazing. Passion is coming your way, friends. Not just about a passionate lover coming your way. I feel a lot of passion regarding your career is also coming your way. Archangel Michael, what is the message? Wow, see, new beginnings and a fresh start is coming for you, friends. Congratulations. See, the night is over. This night is over and the dawn is right here. You are standing on the dawn of the new age. Wow, I feel some of you are light workers. Or maybe if you are married, you are going to bring someone very important in this life, like a child, or start a career with your husband or wife. That's important for the planet. Thank you for bringing new opportunities and offering support, and for helping me release and heal my past. Fill me with trust as I experience these positive new changes. Wow, that's beautiful. So definitely a lot of new things are going to come your way. Any other message, Archangel Michael? Pile number, oh my God, guarded and protected. This just flipped out. Thank you, angels. Definitely, friends, you are safe, you are protected, you have nothing to worry about. If you are pregnant right now or expecting a baby and worried because of the quarantine, corona and all those things, friends, you are safe. And I know it is very it's not an easy time. It's not even expected, you know, to be in such times in our world, but here we are and it's happening. So you are protected, you are safe. Call upon Archangel Michael to help you feel safe. And for others, I feel you have nothing to worry about. You are on the right path. It is just that angels are trying, the universe wants you to relax because times are busy ahead for you. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.